Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm really super happy and excited for this video because it's my first English one and I think it's gonna be my last one. Anyway, I'm gonna share with you today a very simple hijab tutorial. It's really easy, super fast, super comfy. I'm not using any pins, so let's get started. First of all, I really highly recommend these regular cotton bonnets. It really helps. I'm using a chiffon scarf, one long side, one short side, 1/3 and 2/3. Keep it a bit tight around the neck. Ta-da! And that's it! And of course you can use any other fabric. Actually I'm a new hijabi myself and I'm really happy and proud to share this video with you. I hope it can help some girls somewhere. And that's it. Inshallah I will see you soon. Bye bye.